Welcome to the Plant Farm Eat YouTube channel. Let's prepare together an easy and tasty homemade guacamole with fresh and healthy vegetables, herbs, fruit, oil and spices. Now, for the ingredients, you will need onion, sea or green salt, black pepper, red pepper flakes, chili green pepper, olive oil, red pepper, tomato, avocado, parsley and lemon or lime. These are the ingredients I like to use, but feel free to modify according to your taste. Please watch the video until the end to find out about preparation, serving and storage. Use a board to slice and chop a small onion. And half chopped chili green pepper. Place it on a mortar and with pestle gently crush, grind and mash it. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon of sea salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes and add 2 spoons of olive oil and stir well. You can also use a food processor, but the old method of mortar and pestle will enhance the taste. Then chop 1 red pepper, 1 tomato and half of parsley and add it to a bowl. Squeeze half a lemon or lime. Acid will help smoothen avocado, add on flavor and preserve it. Most importantly, use a ripe avocado. If green, you can store it in a paper bag with an apple or banana for a few days until the avocado ripens. Cut the avocado in half, remove the avocado seed, and peel the skin. Slice the avocado into chunky pieces and place it in the bowl. Use a spoon to mash, mix and stir well all ingredients together. Moving to the serving part. Serve your guacamole in a bowl with tortilla chips. Alternatively, make a sandwich using tortilla bread, spread evenly the guacamole in the middle, roll and toast it. Guacamole tastes best when served fresh. Avocados oxygenize quite fast. Otherwise, in a container or covered with a plastic wrap, can last for up to 3 days refrigerated. Thank you for watching and make sure to subscribe and click on the bell button to be notified of similar upcoming videos. Plant Farm It is a platform for horticulture and environmental enthusiasts, helping you maximize your time and efforts and provide you with pragmatic guides on how to plant, farm, and eat sustainably.